Excellent. Well, good morning, everyone.
Morning.
Good morning.
I'm very glad that you've arrived here early, and I've had a chance to meet with everyone beforehand this morning to go through the agreement to mediate, which you've all signed. Thank you very much. You've all got a copy of that. Before we get started, could we do a quick round of introductions? Just say who you are and your role here today, please.
Well, shall I start? I'm Alex Hargrave and I'm representing Francis.
Thank you, Alex.
Right, and I'm Francis Simmons. I'm the CEO of the International Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu Academy.
Thanks, Francis.
I am Nando Jimenez and I am the franchisee.
Thanks, Nando.
And I'm Sam Bingham. I'm a lawyer and I'm here to support Nando today.
Thank you, Sam. Excellent. Okay, I want to spend a little bit of time just going through, reiterating some of the key points about the process today and also my role before we get started. Just a little bit about the process. So once I've finished talking, then I'm going to invite the claimant to talk a little bit about what's brought you here today and what you want to get from today. You'll also get a chance then to do the same, and then we'll jump into a fairly exploratory conversation. I'll have some questions, you might have some questions, and we'll see where we go from there. We've got until 5:30, which I think is plenty of time for you to make progress today. I'm hopeful, and my expectation is that you reach an agreement that you are both comfortable with. So you're free to leave at any point if you choose. It's a voluntary process. In my experience, that tends not to happen. But if you are preoccupied by anything, got any concerns, just come tell me, and we can often work through those things. It's a very flexible process today, so we'll have breaks. We can take a time out whenever you want to. We'll meet all together like this. We might meet separately. I might meet separately with you. Alex, I might meet with you and Sam, or I might ask Francis and Nando to meet. It's an entirely flexible process. I think what's important to say is it's a confidential process, both in this meeting and any other meetings that we have. There's a layer of confidentiality that wraps all our conversations up, and again, that's been outlined in the agreement to mediate. As you know, it's without prejudice. I'm sure your lawyers have spent a little bit of time explaining what that means. Essentially, it's an off-the-record conversation with regards to any legal proceedings. So you can feel free to float any ideas, any options, discuss anything that you want in order to hopefully work out a solution that is reasonable and you're happy with, essentially. Okay, my role today here is just to help you have a super productive conversation. That's my goal. There are things that I'll be doing to assist you in that. I'll be helping you, have a negotiation. I'll be asking you tough questions. I'll be doing lots of listening. I'll be summarizing. I'll be doing lots of things that will help you have that conversation. What I won't be doing is I won't be judging you. I won't be letting anyone know what I think is right or wrong. I won't be making any judgments regarding the legal, ethical, commercial aspects of your case. That's not my job. And my job is to help you have a good quality conversation, to work to an agreement, so that when you walk out of here today and wake up tomorrow morning, this dispute is behind you.